to BlakeWrTv with Chef Ayden and Chef Blake. And we're going to be frying an egg in a shell.
Okay guys, so Ayden today is gonna be frying an egg in the shell, okay? He wanna fry an egg in the shell. And I told him that it cannot be fried in the shell, and he said he can get it done in the shell. So today is a challenge, and today we're gonna have him do the cooking. He's gonna be frying an egg in the shell, and if he can do it,
$200.
we're gonna give him $200. $200. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 20s, $200. So all he has to do is to prove to me that he can fry an egg. Fry an egg. Wait, show them the egg. Take out the egg and show your egg. There's the egg, guys. He's gonna fry that little egg right there in the shell, in the oil, and then he's gonna finish and show us if it can be done. So let's see him do it, and we can. Okay guys, we got the fire up and running. As you can see, some blue flames. And now Ayden, you say you're gonna prove to me that you can fry an egg in the shell, right?
I can fry an egg in the shell.
Okay, so start your cooking. First you put your oil?
Yes.
You pour your oil in the pot.
And guys, you have to be super careful with putting your oil and your egg. So put it just like that. And your egg, when you put in your egg, guys, you have to take it slowly. Super, 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 super slow.
Okay, so let's see how you're going to do this. You're going to fry an egg in the shell, right?
Yes.
So let's see how this works out. And remember, you're getting $200 if you can do it. My bet is you cannot. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
200.
Easy money if you can do this, okay? My bet is that it cannot be done. I have never seen an egg fried in the shell in oil like this. So let's see what's going to happen. It didn't say he can do it, right?
Yes.
It didn't say he can do it. So let's see how it works.
So guys, our egg is now frying right in this pot. And we're going to wait for it to fry.
So Ayden's going to be frying his egg for about 5 minutes in the oil. And he's going to be moving it around in the oil to get the even heat to permeate the eggs in the oil. Remember, I told him that this cannot be done, but he said he can do it.
Let me see.
You're going to fry an egg in the pot in the oil. And I've never seen this done before, so let's see what's going to happen. Egg is frying, so we're going to fry it for how much? 5 minutes?
I think, or 1 minute.
No, 1 minute passed already.
Probably 4.
How long you want to fry it for?
I think, 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay. You're going to wait for 5 minutes.
Guys, I didn't want my egg to crack, but it cracked, and I don't want it to crack.
So you think it's going to be done?
I think, but what I wanted to do is it didn't need to be broken.
Okay.
I want to win this challenge.
Okay, you're on your road. You're going to win your challenge. How much you going to get if you win the challenge?
200.
200 what?
$200 million.
It's $200. The challenge is for 200. How do you get 200 million? I thought you said you can fry a egg in the shell, and you're going to show me how you can get it done. And I said you cannot. So the challenge is for 200 if you can get it done. If you can show me the egg is going to be fully cooked or fully boiled through from frying the egg, we will see. So here we go, guys. The egg is cracking a little bit, and that's why we're getting a little bit of the juice out the egg into the oil, making that sound.
And it looks, guys, it probably, my egg been probably frying for like 5 minutes, and I think it's time to take it out.
You think it's 5 minutes now?
Yeah,
So you've been
but
having...
I don't like when it's about to crack. Because if it cracked, the whole oil will pop out.
So, do you think your egg is fully cooked through?
I think it's already, let me see.
Remember, if it's not, you're gonna lose your competition. You're gonna lose your challenge. Your challenge is
It's popping.
your challenge is to make sure
Guys,
the egg fried
It
through.
is popping. Our egg is literally popping, and I don't like it. If it's something pop out me, I'm
Okay, guys, Chef Ayden is frying an egg,
and it's about to
in
break,
the
which
oil.
I don't like.
and I told him this cannot be done, and he said he can do it. So we're gonna put it to the challenge, like we are doing right now, to see how this egg comes out from the oil, just like this. Alexa, what do you think? What do you think? This is gonna happen?
What? Angel just come out and be like, look.
Yeah, I know.
Huh?
If it's given enough time, sure.
And then you don't leave this in the pot.
Okay, I don't like when it's about to pop. So, okay, guys. Now we're going to take the egg out.
So it has been 5 minutes.
It has been 5 minutes. And what's this?
That's your egg.
But the temperature right here.
Because your egg is popping. Okay. So your egg is supposed to be done. Don't touch it. It's going to be hot. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is cut your egg open, right?
I think
You're going to cut your egg
I'm
open.
going to break my egg open.
Go ahead and break it so we can see if your egg is cooked in the shell. Let me cut it for you. Let's cut it, guys. See if his egg is
Don't
cooked.
break it. Ooh,
Oh, look at that.
it looks like a baby.
And then one is $200. And then, look, guys, he cooked the egg in the shell. Look at that. There's no yolk. Everything is cooked straight through. Look at that.
It's good. The yolk didn't break.
Yeah, look at that.
Did the yolk break?
His egg is cooked right through in the shell.
Now, who's going to eat it?
You gonna eat it.
Yep, Angel.
And then, congratulations on winning $200.
Yay.
Here is your money.
Yay!
Ayden won $200. What do you have to say to your viewers on YouTube?
Thank you
For watching.
for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Okay. Yes, guys, you can see Ayden cook his egg all the way through in the shell.
Huh?
This is the egg in the shell, guys.
Huh?
And he made it through. Ayden, don't let nobody brainwash you to take away your money, okay?
Okay.
Because your sister is trying to take your money from you. Your sister
No,
want to hold your money.
I will hold it for you.
No.
No, that's your $200. You proved that you can cook the egg in the shell, and you won your $200. Alexa didn't believe in you.
I'm just going to get you some Thomas on Black Friday, okay?
Get you some Thomas on
Yes.
Black Friday. That's going to scam your money away.
I will get you a little Thomas.
Hey, then,
Come, Thomas train. Come on.
tell Alexa you can get your own Thomas
I'll get it for
trade.
you.
I
Okay,
can
for-
get my own Thomas
Amazon Prime will be here tomorrow. Just
Huh?
hand it over. I will
No,
get
no.
it for you.
No?
No.
Nope. Nope. It's all your money. You earn it. You earn your money by cooking your eggs all the way through. So can we eat this? Think we eat it?
Yeah.
Want to try a piece? Give me a fork over there. Let me try a piece. Let me see what it tastes like.
Is it hot?
Yes, a little bit. Let me see what it tastes like. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try this thing out. So, here we go. It's good.
It tastes good.
Yeah. It's good. We are trying Ayden eggs that he cooked through the shell. And this is it right here. This is egg.
Super good. You should try it at home.
The egg is fried in the shell. Tasting scrumptious and nice. I'm eating the egg out of the shell. And it's good. Tastes good too.
And thank you for watching BlakeWrTv.
Okay, so Ayden, he won. What can I say? I lost. Ayden cooked the egg in the shell. Tastes good. I've never seen an egg cooked in the shell before. So, he won. He said he could do it, and he did it. He won. So congratulations, Ayden, and your $200. What you gonna buy with it?
Some toy cars.
Some toys car? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Ayden in the kitchen. Like always, love, walk good. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
And get notified.
This is Chef Blake from BlakeWrTv Kitchen.
Video 2 days a week.
And we are Ayden to say goodbye. Have a good, happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your family. Enjoy your times, guys. See you again in our next video.